Hello friends. In this video is basically for the beginners out there who have just started to learn SketchUp. So in this video I'll just give you a quick introduction to the basic tools of SketchUp which you will need. You will basically need these tools to do anything in SketchUp. So let's get started. Here I'm opening the SketchUp file and I'll just let you know. So you can see that there are a number of tools here in SketchUp on the top and also on the left side of the screen. So I'll just give you a quick intro to these. This is the bucket tool, paint bucket tool. On the right side of it is the eraser tool. This is the rectangle tool. Below that is circle, then polygon, and below them you can see this move tool. And on the right side of it is the push and pull tool. Below that is rotate, and beside it is follow me, and below these is the this is the scale tool, and on the right side of it is offset tool, and below them you can see this measuring tape. You can use this tool for taking measurements. So I'll now just use this eraser tool to delete this girl on the SketchUp. And now, so let's get started. First I would take this rectangle tool and I'll show you how you can draw a rectangle very easily on SketchUp using this tool. You can see that a rectangle has been made, and now I would use this tool, push and pull tool, and show you how you can make 3D out of a rectangle. So you just have to click on the surface and you have to push it in any direction you want it to be pushed, and from here you can also give the distance. You just have to type the distance on the keyboard, and you can see that it has been pushed to that distance. So you can see that a cuboid has been made out of it. And now I'll show you how you can use this offset tool. So for that I'll just draw another rectangle, and I'm drawing this rectangle, and I'll select this offset tool from here, and then I'll just click on the surface, and you can see an offset can be drawn, and that also you can do on desired distance, and you can enter it from the keyboard like I have just entered 0.5, and you can see that another rectangle has been created inside the rectangle. Now you can also see that these two surfaces have been distinguished. They are being selected separately. So you can select any one of the surface and extrude it, push or pull them, and you can make any till desired distance. You can make it, and you can make any box out of it, or if you want to make it a hollow cuboid, then you can also delete the space surface just by pressing delete on the keyboard, and you can see that hollow cuboid has been made out of it. Okay, so now moving on to the next tool. This is the rotate tool. I'll show you how you can use it. For this, you have to select the entire object that you want to rotate. SketchUp basically has three axes, that is the red, blue, and green axis. So when the blue circle comes, it means that it is being rotated perpendicular to the blue axis, that is the vertical axis. So you can see that in this way you can rotate, and also you can enter the angle to what you want it to be rotated. Like I just entered 45 degree, and you can see that the cuboid has been rotated to 45 degrees. You can also change, this was the rotation on the blue axis. Now I'll show you how you can rotate it on the other axis. For this I'm selecting the smaller cuboid, and just you have to select the face you want to rotate on the axis you want to rotate. Like so after selecting this face, it shows the green axis. So now you can rotate it on the green axis in this way, and again you can enter the angle if you want to enter any particular angle. So you can see that it has been rotated on the on the green axis. And now I'll show you how it can also be rotated on the red axis. You can see I've just selected that face, and it can easily be rotated on the red axis also. So this was the rotate tool. It is very easy for you to do this. Now moving on to the scale tool. For this also you have to select the entire object which you want to scale, and you just have to click on the scale tool or press S on the keyboard, and you have to select these two corner points, and you can scale it to desired distance what you want. And you can also enter the scale factor over here. For example, I just entered 2, so the scale has been doubled. And you can also select these small points over here, and you can stretch the object in any direction which you want, like this. You can also scale it upside down or anything. You can just stretch this object using these green dots over here in the scale. Okay, so now I will show you the use of this tape tool. This you can use to take the dimension, like just you can see in the bottom, you can see that dimensions are being mentioned. So I've just selected 2 points and it shows 10 meters. So this is just for your reference. You can take the measurements whether you're doing your drawing correct or not. For that, that will be very helpful. And now I'll show you how you can move this object using this move tool. You can also press M from the keyboard for using this tool. You just have to select the object, you have to click on the tool and you have to move it to the desired direction. And you just have to keep in mind that while moving it, you should see that the green line, red line or the blue line is there. If you want to move it in X on the X axis, like for the red axis or the green axis, you should follow the lines so that it doesn't get distorted or it doesn't get moved to the wrong place. And if you want to move it vertically, that is height wise, then you should follow the blue line for that. So that's all for this video. In my next video, I'll introduce you to more number of tools in SketchUp, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe, and also comment in the comment section below any comment that you want to share with me or any topic on which you want